Guys, my name is Lucas Jacklich, and I'm working with Harrison Wilson. We built an application that allows users to search for matchups between a particular MLB pitcher and batter and see the results. Our data set is from Kaggle and spans from 2018 to 2015, and it contains MLB data for both pitching and batting data. This would be useful for managers to make in-game decisions, deciding on whether or not they should keep a particular pitcher or batter in the game. It will also help general managers target certain players in the off-season, knowing what teams are going to face during the season or possibly the postseason. And it's also useful for commentators to be able to talk about the matchup in real time. I'll turn it over to Harry to walk us through the application.
Okay, so I'm just going to talk briefly about the functionality of our application. But essentially, you come to the main page here, and you see pitcher versus batter statistics is the title, and it asks you to input the following fields. So it asks for batter first name, batter last name, pitcher first name, and pitcher last name. And if you do anything that's an invalid batter or pitcher name, it'll catch this with some queries we've written, and it'll prevent that. It'll say invalid inputs here at the top. If you type in anything that's not a name, it'll do the same. But if you type in a player name, a batter name for the batter name, and a pitcher name for the pitcher name, you will see that a query is run to display all of their career statistics and matchups against each other. So there's 3 million pitches in total, and we used a good bit of indexing, but it still takes a few minutes, or not a few minutes, but a few seconds to run the query, find all of their particular matchups, and determine the statistics. It's doing the calculations on the back end. So as you can see here, you have the Chris Sale pitching to Aaron Judge, then displays all the pitches that Sale throws with a minimum of 500 attempts. So he's got the changeup, the curveball, and a few others. And then finally, you can see Aaron Judge's career statistics against Chris Sale. So here's his batting average, his on-base percentage, his number of singles, doubles, triples, home runs, at-bats, walks, and total hits. So like Lucas was saying, this would be extremely useful to do some sabermetric analysis of real-time MLB data in-game, and it would help players, develop their game plan for their opponents. So I'll display one more query here just to show that it works for everyone in MLB who's got pitches and hits in the last 4 years. So I'll show Joey Votto versus Clayton Kershaw. And it'll run the query here for a few seconds, and then it'll return the information about them and their matchup. Keep in mind when you're inputting any, make sure you're inputting data of pitchers and batters who have faced each other. So here you can see Clayton Kershaw against Joey Votto, all-time career, or 2015 to 2018 statistics against each other. But that's essentially our application. It works pretty well. But thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.